Seattle Center, Skyline 90109 X-ray.
November 90109 X-ray, Seattle Center, safe position and altitude.
Currently 7,000, about 15 miles south of Hood River, climbing to 9,500.
November 09 X-ray, squawk 3553.
3553, 09 X-ray.
November 09 X-ray, radar contact, and say your type aircraft and your destination.
We're a Cessna 182 slant Golf, and etiquette flight following to Kilo Juliet Alpha, Quebec.
November 09 X-ray, roger, maintain VFR, the dialed altimeter is 2995.
2995, Skyline 09 X-ray, and we're going to be routed direct to the Klamath Falls VOR and then into our destination.
09 X-ray, roger, I'll show that.
We're going down to California for an Olympic development program from windsurfoiling. I got invited to come. I don't know, it's pretty rad. It's going to be a training camp for the 2024 and 2028 Summer Olympic Games. And this is where I guess all the athletes are going to come and meet up. And
I'm sorry, I was making some coordination there with Port Underpress. Somebody else called. Who was that?
I don't have any of the gear, but I want to go down and meet all the coaches.
Number 1245 X-ray, Seattle Center, thanks, welcome.
I want to go down and meet all the coaches and just see what it's all about, learn more about it. And there's going to be an event here in the Gorge at the end of this month.
Flight 660 Lima Fox.
It's pretty exciting.
Thank you. Advise
So
flight item request.
It's going to be nice to know everybody before they come here.
8,000.
Just absorb a lot of information this week, so I thought, why not fly myself down there?
Delta 1228, contact.
And so we'll be going into Long Beach today. We'll be doing the Los Angeles Special Flight Rules area traffic transition.
Change to my frequency 257.75.
Directly over LAX. So that'll be cool to get that on video and see how that all pans out. I've done it once before.
Thank you.
We'll see you down in Amador County. Rogers Field, traffic Skyline 90109 X-ray, 10 miles to the north, inbound landing, full stop, Rogers Field. Alright guys, so we're making a quick diversion into Rogers Field. I have to pee and we have a little bit of a headwind that came up, so we're going to need fuel a little bit sooner than originally planned, so I don't want to have to worry about fuel, and it was bumpy, so I'm ready to take a little break anyway. Get some lunch, have something to drink, and it's a pretty cool place. There's a rad lake right here by the edge of the airport, so we'll be on the ground here shortly.
Chester Rogers Field Airport. Automated weather observation 2024 Zulu. Wind 070 at 8 knots. Visibility.
Rogers Field, traffic Skyline 09 X-ray is going to cross midfield to join right downwind to runway 34, Rogers Field. Gas is on both. Undercarriage down a welded mixture is going to go rich. Off-to-go power is necessary. Rogers Field, Skyline 09 X-ray is right downwind 34, Rogers. 1, 2. Visual, 3-4. Activate. Rogers Field, 09 X-ray is right base 3-4, Rogers Field. Rogers Field, 09 X-ray, short final 3-4.
Traffic Sierra Tech 06, taxiing over to the Forest Service ramp.
Skyline 09 X-ray is clear on the runway, Bravo.
Skylane 09er X-ray, radar sources terminated, squawk 1201, and free seat change approved.
Squawk 1201 to advisory, 09 X-ray, thanks for the help. Okay, 3,500, 1201 on the squawk on 128.55, let's just verify all of that. 128.55, yep. We're squawking 1201, and we are inbound on to the Santa Monica VOR. Broken clouds here. LA Special Flight Rules Area Traffic, Skylane 90109er X-rays over top Santa Monica VOR 3500 southeastbound. LA Special Flight Rules Area Traffic. LA Special Flight Rules Area Traffic, Skylane 9109 X-rays over top Bologna Creek 3500 southeastbound. LA Special Flight Rules. Tracking the VORs here. Looks good. Just about to go over the top of the north runway at LAX. LA Special Flight Rules Area Traffic, Skylane 9109 X-rays over top the north runway at LA, 3500 southeastbound, LA Special Flight Rules. LA Special Flight Rules Area Traffic, Skylane 90109 X-rays over top the Imperial Highway, 3500 southeastbound, LA Special Flight Rules Area Traffic. LA Special Flight Rules Area Traffic, Skylane November 90109 X-rays over top Alondra Park, 3500 southeastbound, exiting the Special Area Flight Rules to the south. SoCal approach, Skylane November 90109 X-rays, 3500 exiting the Special Area Flight Rules traffic on the south side going into Long Beach with Victor.
90109 X-ray, SoCal, what's your thanks for runway like?
Say again for 09 X-ray?
09 X-ray, what runway would you like?
Stand by 09 X-ray.
You said you land in Long Beach, is that right?
That's affirmative. Whatever's best for you guys.
09 X-ray, roger, and say your aircraft type.
We're at Cessna 182 Slant Golf.
09 X-ray, squawk 0212.
Squawk 0212, Skylane 09 X-ray.
Alaska 630, traffic flow to the right, no factor, maintain 5,000.
Maintain 5,000 miles, 630.
November 90109 X-rays, radar contact north of Torrance, proceed over Queen Mary, and verify information, Victor.
We do have Victor, and unfamiliar with the area, but we'll be headed that way.
09 X-ray, roger, thanks, heading 110, Vector pattern entry, and VFR sent approved.
Okay, Vector to 110, Skylane 09 X-ray, and we'll start our way down.
November 90109 X-ray, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles westbound, 2,000.
Okay, we're looking, 09 X-ray.
November 164 Yankee, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles northbound, indicates 2,000. November 90109 X-ray, traffic no factor, contact Long Beach Tower 109.4. They'll have more instructions for you, we'll see you.
109.4, thanks for the help, 09 X-ray.
243 off Tango, balloons to the right.
Long Beach Tower, good afternoon. Skylane November 90109 X-rays descending out of 2,500 on a heading of 110 with Victor, inbound full stop.
November 2909 X-ray, you can start a left turn, suggested heading 080 to enter left down runway 26 left.
Roger, was that for Skylane 90109 X-ray?
Skyline 90109 X-ray, affirmative. Left turn, about a 070 now.
Okay, left 070 for 26 left, Skylane 09 X-ray.
Number November 09er X-ray, just proceed to like that north side of that hill right there with all the antennas on it. Just north of that is our downwind, and then extend downwind for traffic. Boeing 737, 3 mile final runway 30.
Okay, we'll proceed forward and be looking for that traffic. Skyline 09 X-ray.
November 09er X-ray. Do you have runway 26 left in sight off your left?
Yeah, we got insight. 09 X-ray.
09er X-ray. Your base is approved. Runway 26 left. Cleared for the option.
Clear for the option. 26 left. Base is approved. Skyline 09 X-ray. Gas is on both. Undercarriage is down. A welded mixture is going to go rich. Prop to go forward. Power is necessary. We're cleared for the option, and he told me I am clear to land. 26 left. Inside the white arc, 10 degrees of flaps.
Sling 2 Sierra Charlie, extend downwind.
Extend downwind to Sierra Charlie.
We shall Cessna 2302 Yankee at 1,500 at Queens Gate with information whiskey request 26 left close traffic.
November 2302 Yankee Long Beach Tower, make left traffic going 26 left.
Left traffic 26 left Cessna 2302 Yankee.
November 2 Sierra Charlie, turn base now, runway 26 left, go for the option.
Turn base now 26 left, clear for option to Sierra Charlie.
November 09er X-ray, safe parking?
We're going to Ross Aviation.
09er X-ray, roger. Actually, make a 180, please.
Making a 180, 09 X-ray.
Long Beach Tower, Skyhawk 65575 is established on the VOR 30 approach, full stop.
November 340, extend downwind.
Extend downwind 340.
09 X-ray, and then another delay, you'll make the left turn at Juliet 2, which is about 1,500 feet down.
Okay, we'll make a left at Juliet 2, Skyline 09 X-ray, thanks. Long Beach round Skyline 9109 X-ray, clear of 26 left at Juliet 2, going to Ross Aviation.
09 X-ray Long Beach ground, turn left Juliet, and then taxi via Juliet Echo 2 to Ross.
Left Juliet Echo 2, Skyline 09 X-ray.
How's it going? Very good. How are you? Good.